everyone, let us introduce ourselves. We are from Group 1, and today we will be presenting about classroom language, and it's about greeting. And let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Nuraina, a student.
My name is Faiza, as a student.
My name is Rizky Maulana, as a student.
My name is Farida Hibari, as a teacher. So, let's start. Good morning, everyone. Good
morning, Miss.
Okay, so before we start our lessons, I'm gonna make some to get attention. So, attention, please.
Everyone, please.
Okay, are you ready to learn?
Ready.
So we're gonna learn about greetings. So this is have a teacher, which is me, and also student. So you can be as a student, okay? You read as a student. Okay. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Good morning, student.
Good morning, Miss.
Okay, good. So the next one is, if you're happy, say hello.
Hello.
So if you're be happy, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, next. Hi everyone. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Miss.
Okay. Next is, hello students.
Hello, Miss.
Okay, the last one is, hello. Please come in.
Yes, Miss. Thank you.
Okay, that's all really good. So today, that's all about greeting. Okay, everyone, any questions? No. That's all, yeah. So before we ended our class, let's pray together. Thanks so much for attending this class. Goodbye. See you next time.
See